welcome to my trailer! Come on in! So, today is the first day of season 2 of Teen Wolf, and you are the first to see my trailer besides me. This is my fridge. I think I have to show you my fridge. Doesn't everybody do that? I don't have anything in there but water and some turkey salad. And here's my dressing table with a really, really cool Polaroid camera that MTV got me as a start gift, which I'm really excited about. And I have chosen to take photos and fill all this up at some point during season 2, so maybe you can come back and see my progress. My not so glamorous toilet. Pretty standard, but I love it. And I'm really excited to be here, and I can't wait to see what you guys think. See you soon.
Alright, let's get started. We're taping this one, so I will very likely do a lot of the description. Teen Wolf, episode 203, Act 1, fade in. What?
This is the girls' room.
No response.
That's so lame.
I thought it was important.
Whoa, sorry,
You want me to stop it?
sorry, reading Dylan's script.
What?
We want you to look. We really like that line.
The feeling never stops. I can't get enough. Oh no, you're
Who's next? Erica.
Nice, real soniatary.
let's waste the day and